Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro. So go into the settings and then scroll to to display and brightness and enable the dark mode. Enable all day or you can schedule it, but I'll recommend using it all day. Enable the automatic brightness. Then go into the sounds and vibration, scroll down to more settings, disable the startup sound, the system haptics, and you can even disable the vibrate while ringing, but it's for your preferences. Then into the display and brightness once again and sleep. And shorten this time from 2 minutes to 30 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.